Welcome back to the channel Legends. We are going to play the brand new cooking event. I am going to show you how it roughly works and the difference between rarity and size. These are all the rewards color-coded by rarity tiers, which you will get based on your food rarity. The new gourmet egg has a few new pets, so maybe we might try get some of these. Other than pets, there are some new sprays that seem okay. Not a great selection of rewards, methinks. So, to start, this is the new chef NPC who is a pig. He tells you what food you should make for him. This is the pot where you put ingredients and make the food. When you have the food, just give it to the pig who will give you a random reward. Bang! Bang the gong, we got a gourmet egg. Here is what I want to show you guys today. Is it better to get rarer tier of food or bigger food to give the pig? Okay, let's first go shopping for food. In most recipes, you need corn and tomatoes. Hopefully you have bone blossom too, or RIP. These are just some that I have grown with a basic and advanced sprinkler. Okay, so once you work out what the pig wants, you need to find the ingredients. Here the pig wants sushi, which is a healthy choice. You can see the ingredients picked and the difference in weight. Let's just quickly wait for the next craving. Now he wants salad. This ain't a real chef, guys. Anyway, we need some bone blossoms too, so luckily we have some. We are in a pickle here. No big bone blossoms. Gonna have to hit up someone to give a chop out. Anyway, let's start cooking. Just put all your ingredients in the pot. You can see here it will take 5 minutes to cook. Now we got a problem. Gonna be hard to get big bone blossoms. Anyway, let's do the free-to-play version of Grow All. That costs 0 Robux. Salad is ready. .16 grams. Guess that is normal for salad. Anyway, we have a mate come over to pay the big bone blossom tax. Oh my, these bone blossoms are worth a few billion. We're gonna pick them for you guys, so if you respect the sacrifice, throw this brother a like. Okay, now we got our 35 billion worth of bone blossom. Let's get cooking. 3 of these are gold. Not sure if that and mutations make any difference. Okay, here goes our expensive big tomato. And now the bone blossoms. Wow. Notice it takes a lot longer to cook bigger food. If you make bigger food, you might need to pre-make some, or you won't be able to submit many. And look, it took so long, it's nighttime now. This one is a lot bigger, relatively speaking. We have 0.16 kilograms versus 0.63 kilograms. Now they are both prismatic, so we should be able to compare difference in reward based on size. This first one is an entree to show you guys what you might get with a rare. Just shekels for a rare. So you see guys, this event can be hit or miss. Now with Prismatic, we may get any of all the rewards available. Here goes with the normal-sized food. Just one reward and it was a taco fern. Disgusting. Hopefully more luck on the big one. Ooh, we get a fair few more rewards. Nothing special. But then again, most of the rewards are meh anyway. It takes a lot of time to grow prismatic ingredients, so try make bigger food. Anyway, thanks for watching and hope you all enjoy the new event.